Good afternoon, November 14, 2024. Our text for today is Psalm 57. Great is your love, reaching to the heavens. Your faithfulness reaches to the skies. Psalm chapter 57, verse 10. Our topic for today is about the love of God. In 1917, Frederick Lehman, a California businessman beset by financial setbacks, wrote the lyrics of the hymn, The Love of God. His inspiration led him quickly to pen the first two stanzas. But he got on the third. He recalled a poem that had been discovered years earlier, written on the walls of a prison. A prisoner that had scratched it there into the stone, expressing a deep awareness of God's love. The poem happened to be the same meter as Lemon's song. He made it his sturdy stanza. There are times when we face difficult setbacks, as did Lemon and the poet in the prison cell. In times of despair, we do well to echo the psalmist David words and take refuge in the shadow of God's wings. Psalm 57, verse 1. It's okay to cry out to God with our troubles, verse 2. To speak to Him of our current ordeal and the fears we have when in the midst of lions, verse 4. We're soon reminded of the reality of God's provision in times past. In John, David says, I will sing and make music. I will awaken the dawn. Verses 7 and 8. The love of God is greater far. This hymn proclaims, adding, it goes beyond the highest star. It's preciously in our time of greatest need, when we to embrace how great love really is, indeed, reaching to the heavens. Verse 10. Loving God, I am facing difficult matters. But how? But I am reminded of your love for me and your provision throughout my life. Thank you. Thank you very much, Jesus. You have always been faithful and provided for all our needs. Thank you for being with us even in our troubles. Thank you very much and good afternoon.